we've all seen them, and they make some pretty outrageous claims. But the question is, are they safe? Dr. Rob is in the house with what you need to consider before taking supplements you find at gas station checkouts. It's great to have you back. Now, I know exactly what you're talking about because you do. You go pay, and they're all clear as day. You see a bunch of different kinds of supplements. Usually they're targeted for men.
Yeah, dozens of them.
Yes.
Right? Promising that they can deliver all these, long nights and special nights. The problem with these supplements, though, is they're not regulated by any authority, and they have all kinds of different items or constituents in them that can actually cause problems when you take them.
Let's go ahead and jump right into the side effects, just so people, they're well aware of what we're talking about and the potential side effects of these supplements.
Yeah, so these gas station supplements that you see that are mostly geared towards men and to help improve their libido and sexual prowess are filled with all kinds of items that generally can be very toxic. Things like heavy metals, there can be unknown substances in them. They actually at times have been tested and found to have actually medication in them at various dosages, which then can be a problem because if the individual is taking other medications like a nitrate for chest issues, for chest pain problem, it can bottom out your blood pressure, and it can do it suddenly. So you could be driving your car and you've taken one of these pills, trying to get wherever you're going, and next thing you know, your blood pressure bottoms out and you end up in a car accident. So there's a lot of bad things that can happen, a lot of different potential side effects like low blood pressure, chest pain, gastric burning, problems with visual disturbances or hearing loss. And then there can even be heavy metal intoxication because there's different items that are put in these pills that really aren't good for you to be taking.
I think the overall theme here is if there is a gentleman out there that is having some sort of issue where they would be looking for something like that, instead of just going to the gas station and just kind of grabbing the first thing that you see someone like yourself, someone who can really get into the problem and understand what's going on.
And that's exactly right, Zach. The best thing to do is see your healthcare provider. I know it can be tough to get into the family doctor, your nurse practitioner, but you really need to do that because these medications are very powerful, and it's good to have an overall physical done so that you know what other medications could potentially be used to help treat this issue versus taking something from a gas station where you don't know what's in the capsule itself. It might not go well with the medications that you're already on and probably won't work well maybe with alcohol or some other thing that you may be taking. So there's a lot of potential serious side effects and unwanted side effects that you really wouldn't want to bet your life on with these gas station supplements.
The overall theme here, just to educate yourself, know what you're getting into before you just go ahead and buy something because it claims it can do one thing that you really don't know for sure if it can really do, but you can always see Dr. Rob, the easiest way to find you.
At Renew Health.
All right, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure having you here.